Hey, ain't you Coyote Boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote Boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Alright, you guys, so I just pulled up at Gearhead Performance and I'm not even in the parking lot good. And check this out. They got cars just in the parking lot. So you got Hellcat_Ghost right there. Lights that. That's the red trimming with the white, gives it like a holographic effect. I like that. Check this out. We got a Shelby right here. Yes, sir. I like these wheels too. Yes, sir. Got the Shelby. Then you come over here. We got another Shelby, but this right here got the GT350. Got a 4.6 over here, GT. Oh, I like these chrome wheels on here. Got the Rouse tips on the back, so I'm guessing it's got some type of Rouse exhaust if it's full or if it's axle back. Back. We'll be back there in just a second. Then we got a 5.0 right here. The well forged wheels on it. Those look like they're about 17s. I like the way it got the carbon fiber trunk and it comes up into like a one-piece wing. Oh, that's neat right there. And I bet that saves a lot of weight too. Got the translucent tail lights. Yeah, I like this trunk though. This is like a whole one piece. I ain't have to steal that idea. Then coming over here, y'all see we got the old school Mustang right here. Cow hood. Yes, sir. Just a little bit in the parking lot is dope. You know what I'm saying? I can imagine what's even back there. Y'all see Gearhead Performance. And this is the first time I'm coming to the new shop. I've been to the old shop numerous of times. So, you know, I don't know what the new layout is. I have no idea. Due to the location, it looks like they're about 10 to 15 minutes away from the old shop. But this shop, I can tell just on the outside, is a lot bigger. Y'all see it's like a Z06 right here. Got the vet. Wow, it's been sitting here a little minute. Can't have the Z06 looking like that, like it's been here a while. My guess is they getting some type of turbo set up, I'm guessing. This location a lot bigger than the last one.
Oh yeah.
See that thing right here. Definitely a drag car. Look like he got a lot of money into it, even though it's looking like this in this condition. But you know, it's like there's a lot of money tied up in it, or it's gonna be tied up in it. Yeah. I came over from Mopar to Ford.
Okay. Hey, you're going in the right direction. That's a good life choice right here.
What you got going with this car?
Travis.
Oh, okay. What's going on, Mr. Travis? Not much. Shop. A nice, bigger shopping here too. Got a header sitting right there. I love this wrap on this Mustang right here. Oh, S197. Love this wrap. Oh yeah, it's got some going on up in here. Time you see some gauges like that, that mean business. Ooh, got a turbine with a grill. I ain't never seen that. Oh yeah, that's tough. Yeah, look at the size of that turbo.
It's 215 at the half mile.
I ain't never seen a turbine in the grill though. It's neat.
It would have been a 275 mile an hour pass.
Man.
The Texas mile.
How much boost is it kicking?
You what?
How much boost is it putting out? How many pounds?
Don't know.
Man.
At its lowest boost setting, it makes 1,000 horsepower on the dyno over spinning the wheels.
That's crazy.
I have 4 levels above this.
Ooh-wee. I can handle that fast. That's too fast.
I think it's capable of 2,200, I believe. But we haven't ran it that high on a Dyno yet.
What are y'all finna do to it now?
We're taking the motor out. It ran a little bit lean because the owner of the car had another tuner do it. And since it's on alcohol, it ran 25% leaner than it should have. And it ate the motor up. That's why I don't hit 215.
I do got a question with the Ames oil. I have a lot of people that be asking me, but your opinion, what's the major difference between Ames oil and then if you do something like Royal Purple?
They're both good. They're both real good. We like Young's oil, just a personal preference.
Okay.
Not knocking anything on Royal Purple.
Okay. Well, as far as boosted, would Ames oil be a better oil to use of like nitrous, turbo, superchargers?
We use it. I mean, and we don't have a problem. I mean, we put it on 1,000 horsepower, 1,500 horsepower cars, and it performs great. We do the 550, and yeah, any of our boosted applications, any of our nitrous applications, we run the 550 in it. Have never had a problem due to oil.
Okay, so let's say, well, my car have a nitrous, and I added, I want to go with Ames oil. Will I go with a thicker oil, or will I stay with 550?
I do a 550.
550?
Yep.
Okay. That's definitely. That's the 550 right there. All right, you guys, so that was my two pulls at Gearheads Performance. Pull number one was 476 rear wheel horsepower. take this off. Then you see when I did run number 2, it was 496 rear wheel horsepower. So that is good numbers, especially in between runs. That's a nice increase in horsepower from run 2 versus run 1. So I'm very pleased with the car. Like I said, I have 85 long tube headers, and it's tuned by Lund. And with my intake, I have a Roush sealed intake. So pretty much the car, you know, it did fairly well. So anyway, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope that, you know, this answered any questions. And also, I do stay in Texas, so right now I think it's like 75 degrees or something like that. So I did drive the car, well, Gearheads is what, about 50 minutes from my house to here. So I did drive the car up here, which added more heat to the engine bay, and then of course to the motor. But you know, no excuses here. Hey, when you run any other time, most of the time, you know, you're not just cold starting and you running, you know what I'm saying? Most of the time when people quote unquote race, it's in the street or at the track. So, you know, depending, you know, your car ought to be warmed up, so it is what it is. So appreciate that Gearheads performance. Like I said, once again, it was 476 on the first run, 496 on the second run. Hey, KOYOTEPACK, y'all know how we do it. Oh, I'm out. Oh yeah, and it's 2021, so that means we up one. So let's go. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. It's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.